How to use alt codes without a numpad on Windows. Alt codes are keyboard shortcuts that allow you to type special characters and symbols using the alt key and a numeric code. For example, alt plus 0169 creates the copyright symbol. However, to use alt codes, you need a numeric keypad, numpad, on your keyboard, which some laptops and compact keyboards do not have. If your keyboard does not have a numpad, you can use one of these methods to type alt codes on Windows. You can use the character map tool to find and copy the special character or symbol you want. To open the character map, press Win plus R to open the Run dialog box, type char map, and press Enter. Then, scroll through the list of characters, select the one you want, click Select, and copy. You can then paste the character anywhere you want by pressing Ctrl plus V. You can use the on-screen keyboard, OSK, to simulate a numpad. To open the OSK, press Win plus R to open the Run dialog box, type OSK, and press Enter. Then, click Options on the OSK and check the Turn on Numeric Keypad option. You will see a numpad on the right side of the OSK. To use alt codes, press and hold the alt key on your physical keyboard and use your mouse to click the numbers on the OSK. Then, release the alt key. You can use a numpad emulator software that lets you assign a part of your keyboard as a numpad. For example, you can download and install Numpad emulator from sourceforge.net. After installing it, launch it, and use it to configure your numpad settings. You can choose which keys to use as numbers and whether to use number lock or another key to activate or deactivate the numpad mode.